What a fabulous example just in from a local owner. This is absolutely beautiful. Mercedes C220D Sport Premium. Selenite grey metallic, registered in 2018 on 18 plate, 2-owner car. Fabulous all the way around with just 25,800 miles. It is gorgeous. And of course premium means it's top of the range, full spec on it. Panoramic roof, Artico leather, heated seats, memory seats. So much spec, but I'll take you all the way around to show you all the options on the vehicle. It is gorgeous. 2.1 diesel, 170 brake horsepower, matched to the 7-speed automatic gearbox. Electric boot, great size boot on it, absolutely huge, beautifully clean, not been knocked about, not been abused, lovely and clean. Additional storage just under there. Lots of bits can be stored there. Locking wheel bolt in there. All the loading area beautifully cleaned. Rear parking sensors, rear camera, electric closing boot. It really has been very well looked after. No dents, scratches, dings anywhere on the vehicle. And this is why I did a video, to show you a full close-up. All the wheels in beautiful condition. These have not been refurbished or anything. This is how the cars come in. They're all in great condition, good tyres all the way around, plenty of tread all down the sides as I mentioned. Just beautiful. Of course, panoramic roof. It is electric tilt and slide, making it very light and airy inside. Again, a good close-up of the near side front wheel. Again, no major chunks out of any of those or major scrapes. The two-tone all across the front. Front parking sensors. Again, lovely and clean across the front. There might be the odd tiny stone chip due to the age and the mileage, however nothing major to talk about. Hence we give you a real close-up, almost like you getting on your hands and knees with me, to show you there is nothing hidden. Full transparency. Again, the driver's wheel, absolutely beautiful. Can you believe Mercedes claims 64.2 miles per gallon combined? Incredible miles per gallon. The final wheel and the tyre all in beautiful condition. Plenty of legroom there. All the upholstery absolutely beautiful. Non-smoker's car, no nasty smells in the vehicle. And that's the panoramic roof, front and back. All the headlining in beautiful condition. Keyless entry, keyless go, press the button, locks the car. Just put your hand behind the door and you're in. Electric seats, various functions, memory seats, heated seats. Again, all the upholstery in great condition, no undue wear. Leather multifunction steering wheel. You've also got the passenger electric seats with memory seats and heated seats. All the dashboard, all the trims, in beautiful condition. Keyless start. $25,824 is the exact mileage. 25,824. Great service history. Got all the invoices, all the paperwork to it. Of course, nice big clear screen. All controlled from there. All the vehicle settings. Navigation. Nice big clear map. You can zoom in, you can turn to see the full view. Also easy. All the various apps. Just scroll through, just making it nice and easy. Various other functions on there. You've got navigation, you've got radio, all the radio stations. Great sound system. Media input, Bluetooth phone, all the vehicle settings, set up all the features. If you want the mirrors folding in, when you lock the vehicle, you can delay the headlights for when you lock up. Interior illumination, all very easy and very personalizing to your moods and your needs. As you can see, it is very easy to change all the settings, including even how high the boot opens up. Of course, you've got the mood inside as well. Various options on that one, depending again on your mood, how you'd like it. All the ambient lighting. And of course, then you can get the drive exactly how you want it. You can have Sport Plus, Comfort. Just get it exactly how you want to drive the car. Reverse camera. Dual zone climate control, CD player. Cup holders to the front. That's for adjusting the suspension very quickly without going through the menu, and again it shows on the dashboard. It lights up on there as well for you. Additional storage there, USB aux input, cruise control speed limiter, electric adjustment for the steering column as well, so height and rake adjusted electrically. Of course, you've got the paddle shift gear change as well, and all the seats, how you can adjust everything on there, the heated seats, the folding mirrors, got various other stereo functions on there, various different menus on the dashboard. Bluetooth phone, and of course voice activation.
Navigation.
So you can use the voice activation to get navigation use, change the radio stations, or you can dial somebody without taking your fingers away from the steering wheel. And of course the panoramic roof, which I mentioned is tilt and slide one touch. Great feature, and of course making it beautiful light inside. Or we can just close the blind. So there we have it, our absolutely beautiful C220 diesel sport premium with just 25,800 miles, 2-owner car, 2 sets of keys, complete book pack, all the paperwork for all the service history. It is gorgeous. We welcome part exchange. Great finance available direct from ourselves. Use our online finance calculator to work out your finance details. Low deposits, low monthly payments, apply direct off our website. It's very quick and easy. You could be driving this car tomorrow. We can arrange home delivery. Please ask us for full and further details. Remember, if you fancy it, you love it, reserve it 24/7. Click and reserve. Remember our full money back guarantee. If the car is not as described, we'll happily refund your money, no questions asked. Read about our raving fans reviews and understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. Specialist Car Stoke, a multi-award winning dealer. We make buying and selling cars a simple, hassle-free process. Open Monday to Saturday. Any further information, please give us a call on 01782 822 700. Our phone number again is 01782 822 700. If you require a more personalised video of any aspects that we may have missed on this video, please feel free to call us on 01782 822 700. So why should you buy your car off me? Very simple. We've been established since 1997. And our full way of transparency is to show to you how nice all our cars are. So rather than just comparing prices, we urge you to compare the specification, the condition, and who you're dealing with. Read about our raving fans review and you'll understand why customers come back to us time and time again over generations. We have full on-site facilities for servicing, repairs, MOTs. Every single car goes through our workshop before you buy it. All are full HPI checked to ensure there's no outstanding finance, there's no damage, not been stolen. That gives you the confidence to know that that car is absolutely perfect. Why not follow us on Facebook? You'll get full updates of every single car, or exactly what's going on in the premises here. You can buy any of our vehicles 24/7 off our website. Click and reserve, come and collect. Alternatively, we can arrange home delivery. Buy it from the comfort of your armchair. Simple as that. With the full video, you know exactly what you're going to get. No nasty surprises. Check out our YouTube channel. Follow us on there and you will get updates of every single car as soon as it arrives in. Here to help you. Give us a call 01782 822 700.